Wagwan beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. You already know it's your girl Lisa. If you're new here, it's great to have you and thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this gorgeous makeup look, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to start off by going in with my CeraVe moisturizing cream. I really love this product because it keeps my face so hydrated and moisturized. After that, I'm going to be going in with my NYX Pore Filler primer, and I'll be applying this all over my face, and this just helps my foundation to go on smoothly. Now I'll be going in to line my brows. I'm going to be using my Beauty Runway pencil. And this pencil, I picked it up from Walmart in my Beauty Runway set, and it has two sides, so I found that pretty cool. Whenever I'm drawing my brows, I always go in and do the shape that I want to achieve for my brows, and after that's all done, I'll go in and I'll start lighter at the beginning, and then I'll move more darker at the ends while I'm shading. If you need something a bit more detailed, feel free to check out my brow tutorial video after you're done watching this one. So after I'm all done with drawing and shading my brow, I'm just going to go in with my brow brush, and I'll be using this to blend my brows out just for a more realistic appearance. When I'm all done blending my brows, I'm going to be going in with my CoverGirl concealer, and this is in the shade Warm Honey. And I really love using these concealer because they are great for shaping your brows, and they dry really matte, so it makes them perfect for cutting that brow out and giving you the brows that you desire. I'm going to be using my concealer brush to spread that out, and then I'll be going in with my finger just to pat that and blend it out so it's much more softer. So feel free to go in with the setting powder of your choice to set your concealer, guys. But today I'll just be going in with my Profusion Cosmetic Spectrum palette, and I'll be using that on my lids today. I'll also be going in with my CoverGirl concealer in the shade Golden Caramel, and I'll be using that to line the upper portion of my brows. After lining my brows, I'm going to be using my fingers to blend my concealer right out. So I'm going to start off by going in for that gorgeous orange color called Beat, and I'm going to be putting this all over my crease area. I'll just be going in with my brush to blend that out nicely. And the process gets pretty easy. Once you get into the groove, it's pretty much just doing the same thing over and over. Whatever you do to the left side of your face, you go ahead and do that to the right. After that's all done, I'm going to be going in with my Deep Mocha from L'Oreal, and this is closer to a chocolate brown, and I'll be adding that into my crease area, and I'll just be blending that out nicely just to define my crease a little bit more. I'm going to be using my concealer brush, and I'm going to be going in for my P. Louise Rumor Base 4, and I'll be using that to cut my crease today. When that's all done, I'll be going in my shade for that bright green color called Lucky, and I'll be applying that to my lids today. So now I'm going to be going in for my Athena palette, and I picked this up from Amazon, guys. I got it for about $20 something. I have a review that's coming up on this palette also. If you're going to be using this, be sure not to apply it too close to your lids because that makes it so hard for you to apply your lashes. I should have known that, but I didn't. Well, you know, that's why we have to test these things out. So now I'll be going in with my concealer brush to give you guys a closer look at how I cut my crease. I made my concealer brush myself, so if you would like to see how I do that, be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. To have a more defined cut crease, the edges of your brush needs to be straight. You'll then go in to apply your concealer in sections until your cut crease is completed. While applying your eyeshadow, continue to overlay your color until you have the buildup that you prefer for your shade. When that's done, I'll complete the look by adding my liner. When that's all done, I'm going to be going in for my 340 Kampala foundation from Juvia's Place. And I really love using Juvia's Place foundation, guys, because they are full coverage, as you can see, and perfect to give you that glam look that you're going for. I'll be applying my foundation all over my face. Then after that, I'll go in with my beauty blender and I'll blend things out nicely. While applying my foundation, I'm just going to gently go in to tap that product into my skin, guys. It looks like butter. Now I'll be going in with my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray, and this is just a little trick to keep your makeup lasting longer and looking flawless throughout the day. So I'll be going back in for my CoverGirl concealer in the shade Warm Honey and Golden Caramel. Just remember, your concealer should be 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin color. And also, while applying my concealer, I'll apply that under my eyes, the center of my nose, my forehead, and my chin area. As I said earlier, guys, these concealers are amazing, but while working with them, they tend to dry quickly, so I'll be applying that in sections today. So I got a little crack in my beauty blender from washing too hard, guys, so don't mind that. So after doing this, I'm going to be going in with my Juvia's Place setting powder in the shade Kalahari, and I'll just be applying that to everywhere that I added my concealer to set that in place nicely. So I'll be using a brush to apply my setting powder because I find doing this makes my makeup a lot less cakey. After that's all done, I'm going to be going in with my NW48 foundation powder from MAC Cosmetics, okay, and I'll be using that to contour today. The name of my powder, like I've had this for a while, guys, the name rubbed off, but I'm almost sure that's exactly what it is. Your contour shade needs to be 1 to 2 shades darker than your skin tone. After applying that, I'll be going in with some setting powder just below my contour line, just to define that contour and make it pop a little bit more. I'll also be contouring the sides and the tip of my nose, and this just gives you the illusion of having a straighter nose, okay? We want our contour to look as natural as possible, so just be sure to blend your contour out properly. Now I'm going to be lining my lips, so I'm going to be going back in with my Beauty Runway pencil, and I really love this pencil. It has two shades. One's a lighter brown and the other is a darker brown, so I started off with the lighter brown and then I'll be going in with the darker brown shortly after. I love the way my lips are looking, so bubbly, you know, gorgeous, period. Yes! I'm gonna be going in with my NYC lipstick in the shade Smooch today, okay? And this is more of a nude pink. I really like how this makes my lip pop. I'm gonna be applying that to the inner portion of my lips. Then I'll be going in to just smudge that out. I'll also be using my liner to draw strokes up, and this just gives the illusion of hair. Y'all already know your girl was not blessed with a lot of hair, so I gotta create those. So I'm gonna be going in with this foundation brush, and I'm just gonna be brushing off the excess setting powder from my face. So I'm going to be going in with my MAC Silver Dust highlighter, and I'm just going to be applying that to all my areas where I need to glow, okay? After applying your highlighter, you can blend it out with your highlighter brush, or you could simply go in and use your damp beauty blender to blend that in. So to complete my look, I'm just going to be going in with my setting spray from NYX, and I'll also be adding a few beauty marks wherever I desire, okay? I did my lashes off camera, but the lashes that I'm wearing for this look are my Desire lashes on my website. Feel sure to check them out if you feel like supporting a small business today, okay? I'll be leaving the link in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Also, if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Join the family, gang. Until next time, toodaloo!